Are you tired of battling your home's temperature swings like it's a never-ending game of tag? Meet your new secret weapon, the Smart Thermostat. It's like having a personal butler for your heating and cooling needs, minus the fancy uniform. With intuitive programming, energy-saving features, and Wi-Fi connectivity, these savvy gadgets are here to save the day and your wallet from skyrocketing utility bills. Whether you're a tech wizard or just someone who likes to keep things cozy, we've rounded up the best smart thermostats that will transform your home into the perfect climate-controlled paradise. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Google Nest Thermostat, our pick for best budget smart thermostat. Meet the Nest Thermostat, your home's new best friend, albeit a little less snazzy than its glamorous cousin, the Nest Learning Thermostat. Sure, it can't read your mind or cozy up to the Nest app like the Learning version can, but don't sell it short. It's here to keep your home comfy with some seriously chic features like Eco Mode and Home Away Assist. Want to save on energy costs? This thermostat has your back. Setting up schedules is a breeze in the Google Home app, and the energy reports? Pure gold. They'll spill the tea on when your HVAC is working its magic or mischief, so you can optimize your comfort without breaking the bank. Now let's talk about setup. We hit a bit of a bump with our first HVAC system, no C-wire, and things got a little wonky. But fear not, with the second take, a minor hiccup was smoothed over with a swift customer service response. Once we got the replacement, it hummed along like a well-oiled machine. So while you might need to snag a trim kit separately, the essentials are all packed with your shiny new thermostat. Plus, it's compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, ready to integrate seamlessly into your smart home. What's not to love? Number 4. Ecobee 3 Light Smart, our pick for best smart thermostat for beginners. If your home is starting to resemble a scene from an Alexa convention, meet the Ecobee 3 Lite, your thermostat's new best friend and blissfully free from smart assistant chatter. No more yelling at your thermostat for the weather, it just gets the job done, effortlessly. Installing this little marvel is as easy as pie, or should we say smart thermostat. And let's talk about that AC overcool to dehumidify feature. Seriously, it's a life changer. Your AC doesn't just cool your air, it also kicks indoor humidity to the curb, keeping you comfortable without breaking a sweat or raising your utility bill. Worried about compatibility? Fear not. Ecobee is the original cool kid at the smart home party, being the first thermostat to join the Alexa fan club. It plays nice with all the leading smart ecosystems too. Just be aware, if you're dreaming of room sensors that fine-tune temperatures in different spots around your home, you'll need to reach for your wallet to snag those separately. With dimensions of 4.29 by 1.02 inches and a bright 3.5-inch touchscreen that pulses with personality, the Ecobee 3 Lite is a stylish addition to your tech-savvy home. So go ahead, embrace the smart living lifestyle, without the noise. Still searching for the perfect smart thermostat? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Honeywell Home T9, our pick for best smart thermostat for remote room monitoring. Honeywell has been crafting thermostats since before your computer could even blink its little electrical eyes. Enter the Home T9 Smart Thermostat, your home's new best friend, complete with a handy remote room sensor straight out of the box. That's right, you can keep tabs on 2 areas of your castle without having to acquire more gadgets than a mad scientist's lab. Imagine this. You're lounging in your favorite chair, cozy and warm, while the T9 ensures every nook and cranny of your home feels just right. This thermostat can connect with up to 20 remote sensors, giving you the superpower to detect if a room is in use or, let's face it, just a cute Instagram backdrop waiting for its moment in the spotlight. Oh, and did we mention how wonderfully easy it is to install? With a vibrant, user-friendly touchscreen, you'll wonder why you ever dealt with those outdated, confusing knobs. Plus, it's quite the social butterfly, playing nicely with Alexa, Google Assistant, and even IFTTT. Though, let's be honest, the latter isn't throwing a wild party with the triggers. So why settle for mediocre? With the Honeywell Home T9, you can take control of your home's climate, all while looking stylish doing it. Keep things toasty, chill, or whatever vibes you're feeling, because comfort is just a tap away. Number 2. Ecobee New Smart, our pick for best premium smart thermostat. While the Nest thermostat embraces simplicity, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is the smart home overachiever we didn't know we needed. Think of it as your new thermostat with a side hustle. It's not just about heating your space, it also moonlights as an air quality monitor and emotion-sensing home security system. Who knew your thermostat could be both cozy and vigilant? Imagine a touchscreen so responsive you'll think it's got a sixth sense. Setting it up may feel like trying to decode an ancient script, but stick with it. Once you unlock the secrets of its scheduling, you'll find you can create your very own comfort zones. Picture this: AC at a chill 76°F when you're home, a toasty 80°F when you're out, and a snug 74°F for those perfect snooze sessions. It even knows when your toddler is napping and adjusts the temperature accordingly. Talk about a parenting MVP. Plus, with built-in voice controls for Alexa and Siri, and compatibility with smart home power players like Google Assistant and Apple HomeKit, this device is like the social butterfly of smart thermostats. If you're ready to turn your home into a smart haven, the Ecobee isn't just a thermostat, it's your new best friend. Embrace the future, one cozy degree at a time. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Google Nest Learning Thermostat, our pick for best smart thermostat overall. Meet the Nest Learning Thermostat, your stylish sidekick in home heating that's been winning hearts for over a decade. Remember how easy it was to navigate your iPod? Well, the genius behind that design, Tony Fadell, worked his magic on the Nest too. Once you've got it hooked up to your Wi-Fi, adjusting the temperature is as easy as giving the dial a twist. Forget about fumbling with complicated scheduling. Just let the Nest observe your daily routine. It'll learn your habits and keep your home at the perfect temperature. Sure, if you're a micromanager of warmth, you can tweak it to your heart's content, but isn't it nice to let technology do the work? Keeping your energy bills in check. The Nest has you covered, using its sensors and your smartphone's location to adjust when you're out. Plus, it plays nice with Alexa and Google Assistant. And if you're overdue for an HVAC filter change, it's got your back with friendly reminders. Sure, the Nest's a tad pricey, but those utility rebates can sweeten the deal. Installation's simple, but if you don't have a common wire, you might want to call in the pros. Or, let the Ecobee take the stage. It's your call. So, are you ready to upgrade your home heating game? That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best smart thermostat. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which smart thermostat you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.